The graph of g is a transformation of the sine function. Which statement is false? Y equals 3.5 is the midline. The midline is the dashed line that goes right through the middle of the graph, and that is at 3.5, so this is true. 2, 5 is the range. From 2 to 5 is the range, so this is true. G of pi over 11 equals g of pi over 11 plus 4 pi. We don't even need to see the graph to know that this is true, because 4 pi is a multiple of 2 pi. This is 2 pi times a k value of 2. So that becomes 4 pi. These points will be in the same spot, the same y value, so this is true. 5 is the wave height. The wave height is the height from here up to there, so the full wave height. In this case, that is 1, 2, 3, not 5. So D is our answer here. And here we have g of 5 pi over 2 equals 5. In the same way that we know this is true, we know that this is true. And that's because g of 5 pi over 2 is going to have the same value as pi over 2. And here we see that that value is at 5. The reason why that's true is because all we've done is taken pi over 2 and added 2 pi, which you can do. As long as it's a multiple of 2 pi, it's going to have the same y value. 2 pi can also be written as 4 pi over 2 plus 1 pi over 2 gives us 5 pi over 2. So we know that this point over here somewhere is going to have the same value as this point there. The answer to this problem is D.